Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo the Word Scout visits the spinning meadows in VocabLand, where everything feels playful and bright. The ground feels bouncy, and the air feels full of fun. Laughter comes easily, even without a reason. A new word fits this silly feeling: giddy. Giddy means feeling silly, excited, and a little dizzy. Moving around feels extra fun, but staying steady becomes tricky. All the excitement makes everything feel light and spinny. Taking a short rest helps balance return. Smiles remain, even as calm settles back in. Timo remembers that feeling silly and excited is called giddy, and joy makes every journey brighter.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.